Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here, my friends, once again with breaking news. And this time we have the confirmed release date for the DJI FPV drone. We have the exact date of when this new drone from DJI is going to be coming out, and we will have all the info that you need to know in today's video, so you don't want to miss on today's episode. It's going to be a very exciting one, my friends. But before we get started, make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you're new to the Drone Emotion family, so that you can keep up to date with the latest drone news and you don't miss out as soon as they come out. And also, if you want to participate in our next giveaway, make sure that you subscribe so you can participate. And how big will the prize be? Well, that's going to depend on how much of your support we actually get here in the channel, my friends. So if we get a little support, we just maybe give away a case, just maybe a filter, just maybe a landing pad. But if we get a really good amount of support from all of you, we might even go ahead and give away another drone here in the channel. So if you want to participate and you want to see this happening, make sure you join the Drone Emotion family. So my friends, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is a very exciting one. Today we're going to be discussing the confirmed release it for the DJI FPV drone. We have the confirmed price and the confirmed specs. That's going to be coming this week in the channel, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on them. There are going to be some really exciting videos. But today we're here to discuss the official release date of the DJI FPV drone. And additionally, I want to share a brand new image that just got leaked today. This is a very clean, sharp shot of the new DJI FPV drone shared today, thanks to the man, the myth, the legend, Osita LB once again. So here we have the picture for all of you to see. So that's going to be the DJI FPV drone. A lot of people were thinking that we were going to be seeing this drone in December, as that will make a lot of sense, because that's when DJI will have made a lot of sales and money, because Christmas is right around the corner. But let me tell you something, unfortunately that's not going to be happening. Just as we told you on an earlier video we shot last week about the release of the FPV drone, we told you that it was going to be coming out on January. Well, today we have the exact date of when it's going to be coming out. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and talk about it. So thanks to the guys over at Drone Rumors on Twitter, we have this great info to share with all of you. So thanks to some great contacts in China, they have this great info. So when is the new FPV drone going to be coming out? Well, a lot of people thought December the 15th because DJI has a new launch planned for that date. Well, that's going to be an enterprise launch, so don't even think about it. We've talked about that and discussed it in the channel. It's not December. So we talked on our last video January. Well, get ready, my friends, because it's not the first time that DJI released a drone in January. We saw that with the original Mavic Air in 2018 when they decided to release it in mid-January. So it's not the first time that they've done it. So today we have the release date. So without any much further ado, here it is. The release date of the DJI FPV combo is going to be officially launched on January 8th, 2021, when it will be available for pre-order in the DJI FPV shop. Okay, that is the release date for the DJI FPV drone. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up drone reviews and news part of this article right here, so you can see that I'm not making this up. This is actually coming from them, which are very reliable source. Here we have it for all of you to see. There we have it. So DJI FPV drone coming on January 8th, 2021, and it's coming real soon, my friends. It's only less than a month away. Today it's wearing half of December, so we're almost in January. Don't worry, less than a month away from this launch of the FPV drone. I think this drone is going to do great for DJI, and I couldn't be more excited enough. So January 8th, 2021, get your calendars ready and your money ready, because a new drone from DJI is going to be releasing on that date. That's all I have to share with all of you, my friends. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion signing out.